God is just to us, but we also need to be just and fair to others. Justice means giving every person the right they deserve. Let's look at an example. At school, you struggle, study and work hard the whole year. At the end of the year, you get a great report card. The teacher gives you a reward, and your parents take you out for a treat. This is an example of a person being given their right. We call this justice and fairness. Allah is the most just and fair. Not a single good deed, no matter how small, from anyone goes by without Allah rewarding that person. Just like no bad deed is hidden from Allah, and we will be punished if we do not ask for forgiveness. Allah rewards and punishes us in this life, but more importantly, He rewards and punishes us in the hereafter, after we die. Those who believe in Allah and did good deeds go to heaven. There was a boy called Ahmed. He used to steal money from people and hide them in his room. One day, his friend visited him and saw all the money in his room. Now Ahmed was terrified. Would his friend tell anyone at school what he had seen? How would Ahmed then face his family at home and friends in the mosque? He could not sleep at night as he worried about everybody finding out about his stealing. What a strange boy! He was more scared of his friend than he was of Allah. Allah sees all that we do and say, and there will be a day when we will have to face all our actions. So at the end of every day, we should judge ourselves and ask, what good things did I do today? And what bad things did I do today?